Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious keto brownies with almond flour. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line an 8x 8-inch baking pan with parchment paper. Next, gather all your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of almond flour, half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and a half cup of your preferred granular sugar substitute. Don't forget 2 large eggs, half a cup of melted unsalted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, whisk together the almond flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. In a separate bowl, combine the melted butter, sugar substitute, eggs, and vanilla extract. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry mixture and stir until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Spread the batter evenly into your prepared pan and bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. Once baked, let your brownies cool completely in the pan on a wire rack. This is crucial for achieving the right texture and preventing them from crumbling. While they cool, you can prepare a delicious keto frosting. A simple chocolate ganache made with sugar-free chocolate and heavy cream works wonderfully, or a cream cheese frosting. Once cooled, spread your chosen frosting evenly over the brownies. After frosting, chill the brownies for at least 30 minutes to set the frosting and make slicing easier. Cut them into 16 even squares for perfect portion control. These delicious keto brownies are best stored in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days, or in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. They also freeze well for longer storage. Remember to check the description for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.